Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Mezi and I make videos on plants and sustainable living. In this video, I will be talking about this beautiful flower called Gloxinia. So I got this Gloccinia a year back, sometime in September while the plant was still blooming, and by the end of September the flowers were gone and so were the leaves. And since Gloxinias come with a bulb, I had made an arrangement of this flower along with this wax ivy and some begonias and peperomia. So I did not remove the bulb from the pot, I had just left it in the pot, and I kept regularly watering this because there were some plants along with that in the pot. So for feeding, I generally use seaweed solution. So the last time I fed this plant was sometime back in March and April, yes. And for soil, I use a well-draining soil, a little bit of compost and perlite and some sand. And I think that is the care part for this plant, and this plant sits in a place where it gets enough bright light, not direct sunlight, but yes, enough bright light. And it's doing really well, and this year it decided to give more blooms than last year, and I'm very happy with it. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, do consider subscribing to my channel to view more such contents. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care.